Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your PIN number on the Wells Fargo app. Let's get started. First, open your Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone or tablet and log into your account using your username and password. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your account's overview screen. Look at the bottom navigation menu and tap on the Menu option. This will open up a full list of services and features available through the Wells Fargo app. Scroll through the menu options until you find Card Settings or Manage Cards and select this option. You'll now see all your connected Wells Fargo cards listed on the screen. Choose the specific debit card whose PIN you want to change by tapping on it. The app will then give you several options. Look for and select Change PIN from the available choices. The app will now ask whether you know your current PIN or not. If you remember your current PIN, select Yes, I know my current PIN, and enter it when prompted. If you've forgotten your current PIN, you'll need to select No, I don't know my current PIN. This will require you to contact Wells Fargo customer service directly to verify your identity before proceeding. After entering your current PIN, if known, you'll be prompted to create and enter your new 4-digit PIN. Make sure to choose a number that's easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. Re-enter your new PIN exactly as you typed it the first time to confirm it's correct. Finally, tap Set PIN or Confirm to complete the process. Your new PIN will be activated immediately, and you can start using it right away for ATM transactions and debit card purchases. Remember that you can change your PIN as often as you like for security purposes, and always keep your new PIN confidential to protect your account from unauthorized access. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below. Thank you for watching.